I have like 15 boyfriends right now. We had to make it work. Yes, love that.
You and me was always be tight. Can't believe every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. I love you more than anybody else. And every day as a man, I feel cool.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. What's up with you? How you doing? What's good? What's popping? I'm doing amazing. Thank you for asking. Today's video is going to be my school transformation video. Y'all have been bombarding me, like I said in my last video, literally bombarding me with these school requests. But who not gonna do it? Who not gonna do them? Oh, okay. Yeah. Period. All that. Y'all know I got you with anything. Like y'all ask me for any type of video, I'm shipping it out pronto. Shipping it out. That's how you know I work too much. I'm pushing that video out pronto, period. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my makeup routine or a little bit of like what I do to transform in the morning, because I be looking crazy, sis. Like no cap. In the morning I be looking like who did it and why. But I'm gonna show y'all how I get myself together for the school day. And yes, I'm a senior now, y'all. It's big turn, we big lit. Last year in high school, class of 2019, stand up. Raise your hand if you class of 2019. Let me see you stand up, sis. It's our year. We are going to graduate. Are you excited? Because I am. Yes, I am. Anyways, I'm too lit. But yeah, I'm just going to start and I'm just going to take my foundation for school. I don't care where I'm going. I have to have a full face of foundation if I'm going to wear it at all. Because what's the point of wearing foundation if you aren't going for like that full beat? You know what I mean? Like it's just like a waste in my eyes sometimes. Like what's the point, you know? This is my first time using the Sheer Glow from NARS. I used the, I forget what the other one they have is, but it's a little bit more expensive and for no reason. Like it's like $49. This one was $41, I believe. I'm also wearing lily lashes, so like my makeup routine today is like $200, but it's okay. We love a bougie sister slay. I love James Charles, like he's one of my favorites. Okay guys, like this foundation is sick. Oh my goodness, this looks so good on like in my mirror. This is so cute. I love this finish. And you guys have been like literally clowning me in my comments, like doing the most sis, period, saying how my foundation is too dark and I had to change it. I got a lighter color because you guys love to come for me, so I had to get another color. I'm so not ready to see these kids at school. Like they're so annoying, just full of BS, honestly. Oh, by the way, I'm taking this NARS concealer. Sorry, NARS. This is LA Girls. This is in the color Toffee, I believe, and Warm Honey. It's literally the best concealer ever, especially if you don't want to spend money. It's like $4 at the most. Like honestly, it's so good. I remember my very first high-end makeup product was like, it was my NARS concealer. That was like $30. And then my very first like super huge expensive makeup product was when I bought my Giorgio Armani foundation. That was like literally $100. Well, that's a lot. It was like $80, and I'm like, what the fudge? I was in New York for my birthday and I went to Saks. Literally cashed out, and I was like, you know what? I want everything. I bought Gucci, the foundation. I was just buying literally everything. I was like, I'm 16 now. Like, let me splurge. Now I'm 17 and I literally don't know how to act. Like I can't. I love to save money, but like when I see something nice, like I have to get it. You know what I mean? It's like I work so hard and I'm like, I deserve this. You know? We love a sister blend. Does that make sense? Speaking foundation, I'm still shook, you guys. If you are into like buying high-end makeup, I definitely recommend a NARS foundation. For sure, I do. Like 100%, this is bomb. My Airspun powder. Let me know some like high-end products or high-end making powders. I want to try the Laura Mercier. So if any of you guys have tried that out, let me know about it, because I would love to like try it out. I just don't want to waste my money because it's like literally like $40. And if it's not good, I'm gonna be so mad. But yeah. You guys have been telling me about the Butterscup. What is it called? Butterscup, really? The Buttercup making powder, or the Sacha Buttercup. And I know a lot of you guys have tried the Bin 9, but like I'm just like in love with my $7 Airspun powder. But let me know if it's life-changing, then I have to go get it. Also, let me know if you guys like this like type of video better. I look like a little crack addict. Why is my face so powdery? If you're new to my channel, yes, I am just annoying in all my other videos, so get used to it. I love you though. Love the Fenty contour sticks. They're freaking bomb as heck. So all I use to contour now, but we love her. Without contour and highlight, I literally look like that guy from Flapjacks on Cartoon Network. Who remembers that freaking show? I'll put it like a side by side. I look like Flapjacks without freaking foundation. I have like 15 boyfriends right now. And I'm texting them all. Yes, love that. Also, let me know if you guys want to see like more videos of me and my sister. Like, you guys literally love her, and I love that. Because they're showing her so much love, and that just makes my heart melt when you show my sister love. Like, I get more excited than she does. But if you guys want to see videos of me and her on my channel, let me know. I don't have any more mascara, which is sad. This is pretty much the end of the look. All I would do is add mascara. I have to go get some more, obviously. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope you guys enjoyed the talking. Let me know if you want me to shut up next time. I'll do that for sure. If not, I'll continue talking in my videos like this. But yes, you guys, I love you guys all so much. Good luck on your first day of school. I hope you kill it this season. Are we a TV show? I hope you kill it this year, this school year. I hope you guys exceed your expectations academically. I hope you guys get that 4.0, get that 3.5, and just have an amazing school year, you guys. I love you guys all so much. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye. I love how I found my mascara after I closed out the video. We had to make it work.
Last girl signed in the floor so wet. Now I'm focused on me about the all-blow wet. Just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. What? But we don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael.